Today I'm going to walk you through how to add custom bullet points to your WordPress website, and we're doing it the easy no-code way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to swap out those standard circles for stylish icons, colors, and shapes that really match your brand, all without touching a single line of code. Custom bullet points are one of those little design touches that can make your site look polished and unique, so let's dive right in. The first thing I'll show you is actually my favorite method for this. Using a plugin crafted specifically for custom icon lists. If you want an approach that's simple and flexible, plugins like Icon List Block or Shortcodes Ultimate are fantastic choices. They're designed so you can change bullet shapes, colors, and even icons straight from the WordPress editor. So here, where we start, head into your WordPress dashboard and look for the Plugins tab on the left sidebar. You'll want to click Add New. Think of plugins like handy toolkits for your website. Type the name of your preferred plugin, let's say Icon List Block, into the search bar. When it comes up, just hit Install, then Activate. This whole process is quick, but don't worry if the plugin takes a moment to finish installing. Sometimes WordPress just needs to catch up. Once the plugin's active, you're ready to add your custom list. Navigate to the page or post where you want to spice up your bullet points. Inside the block editor, you'll now see a new option, either an icon list block or with Shortcodes Ultimate, a similar feature. Click to add that block right where you want your new list to appear. If you've used the default list block before, this will feel familiar, but now you've got a lot more design power. Now here, where the real fun begins, customizing. When you click on your new list block, look over to the settings panel on the right side of the editor. This is your control center for styling. You'll see options for changing the icon. It can be a checkmark, a star, or even something related to your brand or topic. Adjusting the colors is easy too. Pick shades that stand out or blend in beautifully with your site's theme. You can also tweak the sizing, which means your bullet points don't have to be tiny dots lost on the page. They can be big, bold icons that immediately catch a visitor's eye. As you play with these settings, don't be afraid to mix and match. Maybe you want checklist icons for your features section or playful hearts for your testimonials. The point is that you have total control and you can preview your changes instantly. If you're worried about going overboard, just remember you can always undo or tone it down. The interface is designed to be forgiving, so explore confidently. Let me share a quick real-world example. Imagine you run a food blog. Instead of boring bullets on your recipe steps, drop in little chef hat icons. Or if you manage a tech tutorial site, try a laptop or gear icon for each tip. These small tweaks help your content stand out and strengthen your site's personality, and that's really all there is to it. Plugins like these handle all the behind-the-scenes work, letting you focus on design and clarity for your readers. If you ever want to switch up your icons, just revisit the settings. No need to learn code or ask a developer. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for making your WordPress site look a little more you. If you learned something or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I check them regularly and love helping out. Don't forget to like the video if this helped and subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tips and tricks. See you next time.